Today we want to start unit number 5, orthographic projection, from lesson number 17. Practice to draw front view, top view and side views of different objects and casting from ND Butt book. So that's why here now we want to take ND Butt textbook. Here this is the question figure. So this is the question figure. Our object is to draw front view, top view, side view. So first read the problem. Draw the following views of object shown pictorially in figure given below. Draw front view, draw top view, draw side view from the right, nothing but right side view. But in this problem, you should not indicate any projection method. Nothing but default this is goes to first angle projection method. So here X means your, this is the arrow mark, this is the isometric figure, nothing but one view gives the total 3 dimensions, but orthographic views, every view it gives 2 dimensions. So you are the observer X, you want to look this figure in this direction. Here this is the maximum length, this is 118. So this is the width 44, height means 40, up to center this is 40, but this is semicircle. This diameter is 48, nothing but height is 24. So 40 plus 24, total 64. Height is 64, length is 118, width is 44. First you want to take the dimensions here. So here length is 116, width is 44, height is 40 plus 24, plus t plus 24, nothing but 64. So the dimensions first you want to capture from the figure. Our idea is here first angle projection method. So front view, top view, side view from the right. That's why first what we can do means, first we want to take draw XY line. This is draw XY line lightly. So this is called as X and Y line. So here we want to apply first angle projection method. That's why front view is above, top view is below, and here we want to go right side view, nothing but front view left, this is right side view. Already you know what are the relative positions. So thus first we want to take here just dummy boxes. That's why give 1 centimeter gap above, give 1 centimeter gap below of XY line. First you want to draw 2 parallel lines. So why? Because for taking lettering and to give the dimensioning, give 1 centimeter above, 1 centimeter below of XY line, then draw 2 parallel lines through it. So with very light, just draw horizontal lines. Horizontal lines. Why? Because this is 1 centimeter gap, this is 1 centimeter gap. This is for give lettering and dimensionings. Afterwards, above, why? Because this is first angle, that's why front view. Front view means length and height. So length is 116, height is 64. So length is 116. Just draw the dummy box. Length is 116, height is 64. Just draw the box. Why? Because this is the front view box. This is the front view box. Then you want to extend this one go down. Why? Because front view and top view both are the same length, and in the top view you want to get length and width. So width is 44. Here you want to take 44. Here you want to take 44. Just you want to draw them. So this is top view box, this is front view box. Front view box and top view box both are one below upon other. But here you want to take 1 centimeter gap and 1 centimeter gap. Here we want to take, this is for right side view, this is front view, this is the position of right side view. In the similar way, here you want to take 1 centimeter gap from here. Here this is called as profile plane. So this is profile plane, nothing but auxiliary vertical plane, profile plane. Same gap 1 centimeter you want to maintain here. Draw one more line. One more line. This is for, why? Because here these are the images, reflections. How much gap you want to maintain here? Same gap you want to maintain here. Here this is XY line. how much gap 1 centimeter, here 1 centimeter provided here. So that's why front view and side view both are same height. That's why from front view you want to project side view the same length, so same height, but in the side view you observe that width versus height. So width is 44. So here how much width you want to maintain here, same width you want to take it as, and height, then this is the boxes want to maintain it, but don't draw the boxes with so much of thickness. This is front view box, this is top view box, this is for right side view box. Once given the boxes, then what are the features? See, look at this picture. This is the platform, this is 118. So when you want to observe it, this is 118 and this thickness is 16. So both are visible. Up to height 40, this is visible. From here, how much gap here? This is 24, center to center 24. So in the front view you want to observe 118, thickness is 16. So here this is 118. So this is thick, 118 is thick. Afterwards this thickness is 16. So this thickness is 16. That's why give 16 gap. 16 gap. You want to draw a parallel line. Why? Because this is platform. This is the platform. After that, whenever you want to see in the front view, up to center, this is 40. This is 40. Gap is 48. So that's why here you want to maintain 40 here. Here, this you want to maintain 48. 8. Then up to that you want to. So in this figure you want to provide here 40 and 40. After that, here this is the center. Center means at 48 center. So this is 48, this is 48. So here whenever you want to go here, you want to draw horizontal line. This is 48. Take center and put the line. Then you got the center. This is the center. Why? Because this is 40. This is 48. Take center. Extend the line. Yes, you got the center. So here the circle diameter is 20. So that's why here you want to draw a circle. Circle diameter is 20. Draw the circle here. Then here this is center. This is radius. Just you want to draw a semicircular arc by using compass. In this way you want to draw it. Then you want to close it. Here this is for open area in the front view. That's why you want to remove this area. So once you want to draw the circle here, just you want to show the center of circle is plus mark, and extend it. This is axis line, line dot line, line dot line. Here also line dot line, line dot line. In this way you want to add. Once front view is over, but in the front view actually there are two arches are there. Both are on the same side. That's why both are visible as a single arch in the front view. Wherever you want to go in the top view, the two arches appears as like a two walls. That's why in the top view, so this shape is clearly visible in the top view only, but in the front view it is as like a